Hey buds! Today we're going to use a plant that many people avoid because it has a bit of a bite if you stumble onto it. But we should turn the tables and take a bite out of it because it has many awesome nutritional components, including vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants, making it a pretty remarkable free food. Fun fact, supposedly Roman soldiers used to use the stinging nettle leaves to keep warm and to keep themselves from falling asleep. So how do you know if you found some stinging nettles? Well, the sting will give it away if you touch it with bare skin on any of the little tiny hairs that are on the leaves and stems. But other features include opposite leaves and kind of this aggressive looking serrated edge on them, as well as square stems, and they like to grow in moist, fertile soils. So lots of people will choose to wear gloves while handling them, but many people don't. However, once you've processed them a little, if they're cooked, dried, chopped, or crushed, the sting goes away, so you don't have to worry about it so much. However, there is a competition in the UK that is annual where they see who can eat the most raw stinging nettle. Not my cup of tea, but to each their own. Of course, you can also make some great tea with this. Now let's try making a nourishing soup instead. So we'll start by melting a few tablespoons of margarine or butter in a saucepan. Next, we'll add in 1 chopped onion and cook it until it is nice and brown and caramelized. So now we add in 1 chopped clove of garlic, a half teaspoon of sugar, and 2 cups of young chopped nettles. And cook them until they are tender. Add in 1.5 cups of soup stock, whatever your choice is, chicken, veggie, mushroom. And bring it up to a boil and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then reduce heat and add in a half cup of milk or milk alternative and your seasonings. In this case, we're going to do a little bit of salt, some pepper, and some freshly grated nutmeg. Which looks kind of like that. It's great if you have it. If you don't, of course, you can use the stuff from the store that's pre-ground. Let it simmer for a few minutes and then you can serve. So there you have your nourishing soup. Until next time, have fun, stay safe, and bite back.